Welcome to the beautiful city of Kigali, Rwanda. You all, when I tell you Kigali is on a different level, sit back, relax, and enjoy. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button and the notification bell to stay up to date on the latest videos. Enjoy. So I have been wanting to visit Kigali, Rwanda for the last few years now. I've heard great things about it. So when the work trip presented itself, y'all know I had to be on the next flight out. So had a quick stopover in Bamako, Mali, just to refuel the plane, and then we were off to Ethiopia for a layover. Y'all, from Ethiopia, had like couple hour layover, but we were a little bit late, so your girl was definitely, power walking through the airport. But we made our flight, and we are about to have a good time. You see a lot of people just like, okay, I gotta go. But I thought that this was so beautiful, so I was like, let me take a little video of it. So made the flight and boarding to head to Kigali. And when we landed, y'all, was like, oh my gosh, this really is the cleanest city in the world. Like, shout out to them because they've done an amazing job just making sure the city is beautiful. So I stayed at the Radisson Blue, right next to the convention center. This is a tour of my room. I didn't want to have to do moving around too much in the city, because I know if you've ever been in a conference, like, it's really packed, like the days are jam-packed. So I just wanted to have the luxury and convenience of getting up and walking outside. So I had a little balcony that overlooked like the entry area, so that was nice, and it's so green. This is my hotel, so beautiful. Every morning they had somebody on the piano playing, soothing us. And y'all, the breakfast buffet, every morning I was there faithfully. Like, so many options to choose from, and it was really good, honestly. Like, sometimes it's only like continental breakfast. No, this was like the full load. So showing y'all a picture of the convention center. This is like a national staple in Kigali, and people come here for all types of conferences. And it took them a few years to build, and it just opened up a few years ago. So the day before the conference, I actually was able to get out and explore some of the city. Like, y'all know I cannot be in a place and not see the city. Like, I need to feel the heartbeat of the city. So one of my mentors set me up with her previous driver, and we were outside. Like, I got to be able to explore the beautiful city of Kigali. So if you ever finding yourself in Kigali, here are some things that you can do. They have the National Stadium, so this is the big football stadium, and then they have the National Stadium for basketball, so this is where they come, for the BAL, etc. So I thought that these were two nice things to just kind of ride past and see. So number one on the list, Kimironko Market. This is like probably the most famous market in Kigali, and we say Kigali, but they say Kigali. But this is one of the most famous markets here in the city. So they have literally everything that you can imagine, and y'all, it can be overwhelming. So make sure you go with somebody, because there will literally be people coming up to you like, come to my shop. Like, it can be overwhelming. Right now, every time I record it was kind of calm, but it can definitely be a lot. So this is how it looks on the outside. You can get nice fabrics. I didn't even get to take a video of the beautiful dresses and fabrics, but I got a really nice dress that you all will see in my next video from my conference. And so we were riding past. So there's two kind of like distinct areas. There's an area before the genocide and then an area after the genocide. So this is kind of overlooking one of those prominent areas, and I just had to stop out and get a video because the mountains are so beautiful. Y'all, look how clean these streets are. Like, literally not one piece of trash. And I know I've seen videos like, oh, it's the cleanest city in Africa. No, y'all, this is the cleanest city I've seen in my life. So beautiful. So number 2 on our list is Inema Art Center. This one, they do take like a 10,000 Rwandan admissions fee, but the artwork was absolutely beautiful. You can kind of like go and take a tour. It is kind of small, but they really did have some really beautiful art pieces. So I'm gonna sit back and let you all enjoy. I always really enjoy a nice art museum. So if you ever find yourself in Kigali, definitely make sure you check out Inema Art Center. So there's also another arts museum that's not too far away and it's actually free, so decided to go and check out that museum first, and I just had to record the street. But this museum is called Ivuka Art Center, and same scenario, but the artwork was absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. So this is definitely a notable destination to try out as well. I could not record too much of the art, however, I did get a little snippet for you all. So definitely check out this art center as well. Alright, so next destination is, of course, the Genocide Memorial. For many of us, we have known Rwanda based off of the movie Hotel Rwanda, but if you're ever in Kigali, definitely check out the memorial, pay some respect, learn a bit of the history. It definitely is a very heavy experience. So you just want to go and prepare.
Mama amaze guhunga niho yahungiye, barumuna banjye bigenda bajyana, yamaze kubasaba imbabazi abo bantu b'abaturanyi bacu.
So after visiting the memorial, I definitely needed some time to decompress, and it was lunchtime, so decided to go and check out the famous food street. I know I'm probably butchering the pronunciation, but Biryogo, it's like a street that's filled with different food options and vendors. Before then, I had to check out the women's center, and they had just a lot of little trinkets that you could purchase if you wanted to, buy things for family or friends back home. So here I am in the famous food district. It was a little bit early in the day, although it was lunchtime. And it was during a weekday, so it was really nice to be able to kind of like get a feel of it without it being so packed. But this is a place that you definitely want to come and visit. And then, of course, the famous Kigali Sign is not too far away. And if you just type in Kigali Sign, it'll lead you right there on your maps. And so I was mentioning Hotel Rwanda prior, so this is actually the hotel from the movie that many of us know. And so then heading up to Ubumwe Grand Hotel, you all, the view up here is spectacular. So this is definitely a notable visit. Like, seriously, get a load of this view, get a load of the mountains in the background, the hills. And this is a city known for its rolling hills. And also, you will notice that if you ever walk around the city, it's a lot of hills in this city. But it looks like a postcard. Just look at it, like breathtaking. So now we enter into the night scene life. So if y'all like to go out, enjoy yourself, get some good food, be around some music, eclectic people, Pili Pili is one of the chill local spots, and you'll find people from all over there. And I love the fact that everywhere in the city that has a good view, it's like open, and you can just breathe fresh air. So at night, every night, the convention center lights up in the Rwandan flag colors, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Another notable spot is Atelier. It's such a cute little spot that has an eclectic vibe to it. Outdoor seating area as well. I will say it does get a little bit chilly in the evening time. So that's something to just take note of if you ever find yourself visiting. If you want to be comfortable, so wear something that is a little covered so that you don't feel cold. But the vibe was next level. DJ was going in on the tunes. Now, Molato was a nice vibe as well. However, I felt like it was a lot of young folks in here, so I did not stay too long, but got the content and got out. So next morning on Sunday, you all, one thing that I really love about Kigali is every other Sunday they have what's called a car-free zone, and you'll just see people, families outside working out, walking, biking, jogging, running, doing group sessions. It was something so amazing and beautiful to see. So I was like, you know what? Y'all inspired me. Let me go into the gym, get a little gym session in really quick. And I love how Rwanda is trying to promote health. So this inspired me to, go have a little pool session as well. Y'all know when I travel, I love to go swimming, whether that be the pool, the ocean, what have you. So I was like, you know what, let me go in, let me try it. Now when I tell y'all the water was cold, I was like, oh my goodness, but the sun had started coming out, so I was like, you know what, it's worth it. Let me just go for it. Let me let my head down, enjoy myself a little bit, and get my money's worth for what I paid for it. So I had to go enjoy a little swim. And then, of course, wherever there is a golf course, you know, your girl is a amateur golfer now. So I had to come and visit the amazing golf course that has just recently been built and opened up within the last couple of years. So had to go on that driving range and, you know, get some practice in because, you know, if any of you all play golf or play sports, when you miss it for some time, it really makes you like, okay, I need it. It's like, I have to. So, first swing, not too great, but, you know, you get back on it and make it happen. And I really love having the time to come and practice. So thank you all so much. If you have made it this far in the video, you are the real MVP. Shout out to you. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope that you were able to see some of the beauty that I was able to experience in Kigali, Rwanda. Until next time, this your girl Tricurious signing off. Peace.